In the beginning when I was streaming, I remember I I struggled a lot with the balance between entertainment and being productive working on the game. It was hard to know, how much should I focus on making the stream entertaining at the cost of reducing productivity? Or how much should I focus on productivity but reducing the entertainment value? And so like if I need to rename 50 files on stream, that's going to be an extremely boring thing. Like, how entertaining is that? I'm just going to click a thing, type some things, click a thing, type some things. It's not entertaining at all, right? But so I remember quite a long time ago when I was streaming, I fell into the trap of I only streamed interesting things. So when I was working on something visual, I just streamed that. And whenever I need to do some chore or something, I would just put it off. I wouldn't do it because like that's not entertaining enough, right? So it kind of pushed me into making visually interesting stuff, ignoring all the things that I needed to do, and then that kind of just led me into a corner of having like so many polished visual things and garbage code that I didn't like. It was just like a pile of shit that I needed to clean up, right? So I think I still have that problem to some extent, but I think what I've realized is that two things. Even if you're doing boring things, if you explain what you're doing and why, that can be interesting enough in and of itself. So like even though I might consider some refactoring of something to be boring, it might be interesting if I explain why I'm doing the refactoring, why this is important, why this affects the project as a whole. So, if I just give context to whatever it is I'm doing, I think it's more interesting. So that helps. The other thing I realized is that the type of entertainment that streaming is not always an active form of entertainment. Like, if I could make a guess right now, I'm gonna guess that most of you are not 100% focused on my stream. Like, this is not a YouTube video. This is not, like, you're not watching a movie because it's like, this is not prepared content. I'm just like, just kind of winging everything. Which means that not everything is going to be interesting. And I think a lot of people already know that. Like, people come into streams knowing that it's not all fireworks and amazing stuff at all times. So I think the viewing experience as a viewer on Twitch is probably a pretty passive thing in general. Like, I think many of you are right now doing something else, which I think is totally fine. That's just part of what the platform is. So even if I do something boring for a few minutes, I don't think it matters that much because you're probably already doing something else, right? So yeah, I that's sort of the way I've been, I don't know, mitigating those problems of feeling that pressure to always do something very, very entertaining. Now I haven't like fully gotten rid of that, but yeah.